Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and I'm doing another water brush butterfly using those brush markers from Hobby Lobby. And I've been using a mini watercolor book pad for the watercolor paper, and as you can see, it's really textured, and I haven't really said anything about it. I'm not sure where I got it. I've had it for quite some time. But the brand name is Conda, and it's, doesn't say what weight it is, but it's pretty stiff and highly textured. So it's kind of interesting to work with. Probably better for other applications rather than making my butterflies, but it was just the right size, it's about ATC size. And fun to create little samples. So I'm going to play some music. I hope you've been enjoying the butterflies. If you haven't seen them, I'll link the playlist down below. And I hope you enjoy. I have noticed these brush markers tend to make very dark images, but they're still a lot of fun, and of course adding black makes it darker too. I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.